Good morning, gang. Welcome back to Crazy Life Homestead. I'm Mo, and today is Monday. And let me tell you, there's a total transition here. I'm just gonna go check on Mr. Duke. He's already been fed, but I want to check his water bowl. Just give him some love. There he is, sticking his head out. So he's in the corner. There's not a lot of sun in here yet. It's just about 7:30. He's enjoying a little alfalfa. Greg had bought some probiotic alfalfa in a bag, and he's been enjoying that. Keep him company. Keep him busy. I gotta read the bag to find out how much we're allowed to give him. If I give him handfuls, I think they're better than the cubes. At least on him they are. And his old self. It's still nice and warm in here. The sun hits it again, it'll be warmer. That's about the only time I love when it snows. There's not many footprints out there. The fence is all iced up. And when the sun hits it, it's just pretty. So Greg put more feed, sweet feed, underneath the trailer. The birds love it. I think that's only something a photographer can love. That's just a beautiful thing. I'll take a picture of that. Okay, I'm back in the house. And after fighting with the car for about an hour and a half, it's been on for about an hour and a half, I got a ½ inch to an inch of ice off the car. That's how much we had. For now, that's all I have to report. If I come back on later, I'll let you know what's going on. And it ended up to be about 9 degrees here instead of 1 like they forecasted. But right now I think it's about 14. It's okay, sun's out, it looks pretty. You guys stay safe, stay out of trouble. I'll see you on the next one.